Hey, what's up guys? Of all the videos that we post, I think all of the Tacoma videos get the best feedback. Well, welcome back to another daily video here at 88 Rotors Off-Road of some Toyota Tacomas. This Tacoma came in with a 2.5-inch front lift already installed. So this customer wanted to add a 1-inch rear lift block to level it out, in which we did. We're also installing a set of fuel vectors on here. These are a 17 by 8.5 with a +7 offset. Obviously in a matte black finish as you can see there, and we're wrapping it up in a 285/70/17 BFGoodrich KO2. This model of KO2 tires come with a white lettering option. This customer opted out on that and wanted the black on the outside. When you buy a set of KO2s from us, you can choose whether you want the white lettering on the inside or out. '88 Rotors is located in the city of South El Monte, which is about 20 minutes east of downtown Los Angeles in California, USA. If you're looking to get some work done by us, please reach out to us either by phone or by email at sales@88rotors.com. You can find all of our contact information in the description below. Any long bed fans here? If you are, drop a comment down below and let us know. Do you guys prefer the short bed or the long bed? We have a short clip of this 4Runner Trd Pro that we're just gonna throw in here. This one right here did receive our front lift shim for an extra inch of lift so he can clear some 285/70/17 tires. This customer wanted to retain his factory Trd Pro Bilstein suspension, so we're installing a spacer on the springs in the back as well. He's pretty much prepped for some 285/70/17s, but he currently has a set of Icon rebounds with some 265/70/17 tires on them. Next up, we have another Tacoma that's getting a spacer lift, 3-inch front strut spacer and 1.95-inch rear lift block with extended U-bolts as you see here. This customer is getting a set of 17x7 TRD Pro wheels that were originally from the 4Runner TRD Pro. We're wrapping it up in a RBP repulsor tire in an MT 285/70/17. Next up, we have this white 3rd generation Tacoma. This is a 4x4 TRD off-road. This one's getting a Kings and Camburg lift setup. If you want to see the full video of this one, make sure you tune into our channel in the next couple of days to see the full video when it gets published. This MGM Tacoma is almost done. The wheels and tires are going on the vehicle now, and we're about to bring it down to the ground. And that's pretty much gonna wrap it up for today's Tacoma video. Thank you very much for coming by and checking us out today. Make sure you subscribe to our channel if you haven't already and turn on that notification bell. That way you will be notified and alerted every single time we post a new daily video. Thank you so much, and until next time guys, take care.